2022 Harris 230 Cruise Tri-Toon. Full-length center tube. Does have the performance package on it. Black sapphire. Really long benches in the front. There's cup holders with cell phone chargers. Storage under all the seats. New this year, pop-up table. Really neat. You can put food out there. Side gate. Dual high back helm captain's chairs. They swivel, recline, move forward and back. Nice helm. Cell phone chargers, stereo, SIM ramp. Rated for 13 people. Loungers in the back. Garbage can. 10-foot bimini top on this one. It does have a 150 horsepower Mercury motor on the back. Nice wide stainless ladder. Does come with the full cover. Seaweed flooring. Don't miss out on this one.